This is the Budgie chart with several color mutations, and we are going to try to find Minion on here. Let's see, is that him? Nope, that's not Minion. What about this one? Is that Minion? Nope, that's not Minion. That's a close white wing violet. Let's keep going. Try to find. Okay, turn around, Budgie. What about this one? Nope, that's a cinnamon cobalt. Oh, what about this one? Nope, that's a cinnamon violet. And we're going across and going across and... what's that? We found him! Opaline violet. Come here, turn. Look at that. We found Minion on the chart. He's looking at the wrong one, the opaline gray. Now you look at this one. That's Minion! And I also like the regular violet. This one. What do you think, Minion? What do you think of this one? Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to grab your foot. You like him? He's okay. He okay? You like that one? But this one's you. What do you think of this? That's you, Minion. You're opaline violet. What do you think? Opaline violet. I call you the purple budgie, though. Yes, the purple budgie. There we go. That's Minion on the Budgie chart.